In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and review a DocuSign document before signing it. If you've received a DocuSign email and you want to read through the document carefully before completing your signature, this process is very simple. Taking a moment to download and review the file can help you confirm that everything looks correct before you move forward. Start by opening the DocuSign email that contains the document you need to sign. Once you have the email open, look for the button labeled Review Document and select it. This will open the document in your web browser through DocuSign. When the page loads, you'll be taken to the document view. From there, select Continue to enter the signing interface. This is the area where DocuSign prepares the document for review and signing. Next, look at the toolbar above the document. This toolbar includes several viewing and document options. Find the download icon and select it. DocuSign allows recipients to download a copy of the document before completing the signing process, which is useful if you want to read it more closely, save it for your records, or check the formatting in a PDF viewer on your computer. After you select Download, wait a moment for the document to finish downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser and internet speed, this may happen instantly or take a few seconds. Once the download is complete, open your computer's Downloads folder. This is usually the default location where downloaded files are saved unless your browser has been set up differently. In the Downloads folder, locate the downloaded PDF and open it. Take your time to review the document carefully. This is a good opportunity to read the full content, check important details, and make sure you understand what you're signing. Since the file is now open as a PDF, it may be easier to zoom in, scroll through pages, or search for specific terms. When you're finished reviewing the document, return to the DocuSign signing window in your browser. From there, complete the required fields and add your signature where prompted. Be sure to fill out every required area so the document can be submitted successfully. Once everything is completed, select Finish to complete the signing process. That final step sends your signed document through DocuSign and confirms that your part is done. Thanks for watching.